Guys, welcome to Tech Enoughs, powered by Newton School. I, Abhishek, will continue with this algorithm tutorials. Today we'll be discussing more about advanced questions in which we'll try to find out the complexity of those questions. Okay, awesome. So as you guys know, I am doing this tutorial in association with Newton School. Okay, so they are a great platform which helps you guys to bang a career in tech. So they teach you for a period of about 10 years. Sorry, I meant to say 10 years, not 10 years. They teach you for a period of about 6 months, and then they help you in your placement also. And the best thing about that, once you get placed, then only you have to pay. Else you don't have to pay anything. Okay, so we are on a mission, and so we have launched a product called Launchpad. Okay, so our goal is like to educate. Like there are a lot of places where people cannot come and study from us, right? So we want to reach to the millions. Okay, and these all things we are doing is totally free of cost, no charge. You can just sign up to our platform Launchpad and just check it out. The links and all other descriptions you can see in the video description. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so let's see here. So we are talking about time complexity, level difficult. Let's move. This is the question, the first question. So let's try to solve it. So as usual, always put the answer in comments, guys. Okay, I'll annotate my screen. Okay, so now let's see. What is the complexity of this? So I hope you guys remember this almost same question we did previously. Not exactly, but yeah, this last part we have already done it, right? So what was the last complexity of this part? Can you guys recall? Or you can just check out the previous video if you have forget log and base 2. Correct? So this is the complexity. And I also ask you guys, do you like this multicolor version? Okay, let me know in the comments. And this, you know, what is the complexity here? N by 2. So that is n, right? This is also n by 2. So this will be something like n square by 4 log and base 2. So what will be like we can remove the constant, right? So n square log n. So this is the complexity of the problem. Hope I am clear, guys. So in case if you don't remember the complexity of k equal to k into 2, you can check out my previous video where I've explained how to find out the complexity of this. Okay, even if you don't get it, do let me know in the comments, then we can discuss about that. Okay, sure, awesome. Okay, so sad I forgot to mention the title. Just the word title is written. No worries, guys. Okay, we'll focus on that in a while. Okay, so now let's move to the next problem. Okay, so let's move here to the next problem. Yeah. Okay, which problem I am on? This is the first problem, right? This is the second problem. So okay, let's look at this problem. Okay, so let's see what this problem says. When the value of j is equals to 1, what happened? Okay, no problem, sorry. Give me a second, guys. No problem. 1 second. Something is not working and my pen, is there issue or anything? We'll figure it out, not to worry. Let me check it if it's working again. Hope. No luck. It's not working. Anyway, we have a lot of other possibilities to do it. Okay, so I think this question we've already done it. In case if you have not done it, maybe. Okay, so now you can see this loop is running for n times always, not a problem. Okay, what about this loop? K is equals to 1, k is less than equal to n, k is equals to k plus j is dependent on this loop. So when the value of j is equals to 1, okay, how many times this loop will run? The value of j will be 1, so k is equals to 1, k is less than n, k plus plus. So this loop will run for n times, right? When the value of j is equals to 2, what will happen? So k is equal to k plus 2. That means every second value, like it will be like let's suppose k is equals to 1 to 10. Okay, now k is equal to k plus 2. That means 1, 3, 5, 7. So you can see only half of the values are coming. That means n by 2, right? Great. if the value of j is equals to 3, then what will happen? Then it will be something like n by 3. If j is equals to 4, then what will happen? N by 4. So on, right? So on, like if the value is n, what will happen? If j is equals to n, then we will have n by 1, n, that is one value. So now we need to add them up. So if you add them up, so what will happen? N plus n by 2 plus n by 3 plus n by 4, sorry, and so on, n by n. So this will be n plus n by 2, so on to n by n, right? A normal addition. So now let's have a look. Let's sort it out. How to solve it? So it was like this: n plus, that was n by 1. Sorry, I did not wrote 1. 2, so on to n by 3, and so on to n by n. So now what will happen? Let's take n as common. So 1 plus 1 by 2 plus, okay, 1 by 3, and so on to 1 by n, right? Great, awesome. Okay, so what is this, guys? Hope you are clear. We studied somewhere in standard 12th, right? If you took maths, hopefully. So this is the definition of log n. In case if I forgot, just have a look once. Google is available for us, right? For every answers. Okay, so what will be the total complexity? N log n, right? And log n. Awesome. So this is n log n. So hope you guys are very much clear about this. So the complexity of this will be n log n. Great, awesome. Great, guys. So we solved about this. So let's move quickly to the next question. Again, so this is the next question. So before I try to solve it, so what are the questions? This was the first question. Wait a second. This was the first question, we did it. Okay, there was one more question, we missed it. Okay, this was the second question, we missed it. So what is the complexity of this? I think you can easily calculate it, right? So what will be the complexity, guys? Think. What is this? N by 2, right? What is this? J is equal to j into 2. So this will be, what will be the complexity of this? Log n base 2. Am I correct? We calculated it last time, correct? What will be this? Log, so on to n. So again log n base 2, right? So what will be the total complexity? N by 2 into log n whole square, right? So basically n log, let's remove the constant. So n log n whole square. Log n whole square. So this will be the complexity. Am I correct, guys? Awesome. Okay. So now we did these three problems. These were some of like on an easier side only. You can say these were difficult, but more on an easier side. We'll do 3 more problems on this topic. So let's cover that in the next videos, and those 3 will be a really challenging problems. Like some questions have been appeared in top what do you say? It's like top interview questions or top exams. Like those are some of the top exams that has happened. So there they have appeared. So they are really interesting problems. So that we'll cover in the next class. Okay, great. So before I go, do like and subscribe my channel. Now also don't forget to check out the course on Launchpad. Okay, great. And if you have some issues, do comment. Okay, bye bye.